Hi, YouTube.
Good morning, YouTube friends and family. It's your boy GB Reviews. Today I want to, I thought I was going to do this video yesterday, but I had to do some other stuff. Today I want to review, or not review, but do an unboxing of a product that I thought I wasn't going to be able to get my hands on. I know it's been out for about 4 weeks now, but in my area in Washington, D.C., it is just almost impossible to get. But yesterday, as you saw in my previous video, I had a problem. My MacBook keyboard went out, so I ended up buying it. I said, screw it, I'm gonna go get a new MacBook. So I got a new MacBook Pro. Setup was easy. Folks at Apple Store were amazing. But it took about an hour and a half. So while I was there, I asked the young lady that was helping me, and I said, hey, do you happen to have the Powerbeats Pro in stock? Because I know they said they're not going to be available till July. And she said, actually, let me check. And so she checked. They said they had one in stock. She wasn't sure that they were going to have the one. And lo and behold, your boy GB Reviews got his hand on a pair. And I know he's probably seen a lot of reviews online, but I'm a regular dude. And I think sometimes it's good to have regular dude reviews about these kind of things, only because, you know, reviewers a lot of times are influenced by, you know, advertisers and things like that. I'm, on the other hand, is a guy who's just likes stuff. And I told you when I got the other ones, which actually I lost on a flight back from, I think, Thailand, the Powerbeats Pro 3s. They were great. They lasted me for a while. I actually lost them twice. Buy your stuff with American Express. Again, I don't get paid by American Express, but I lost them twice, and American Express replaced them twice because they're product replacement, as long as I think it's under 90 days. But they were great. I liked them. There were some quality issues, but the sound was good. But the quality of the build, I found that after a while, it started to mess up. And I'm thinking these won't do the same thing, because unlike the ones that are wired and that you charge with that whatever that little cable was, but it wasn't a lightning cable, they weren't required to be put in a case. I would stuff them in my pocket, I would throw them in my bag, and I think that led to some of the demise of this the other ones. This one though, it's supposed to be pretty awesome, and so I am going to open this, show you what's in the box, and then we'll do a quick connect so you can see exactly how easy it is to connect it. This has the new H1 chip. The H1 chip is the upgrade to the W1 chip that they had in the last ones. It's supposed to give you a better connection, better power management, and all of those things that you know, people complain about when they have wireless headphones. I definitely complain all the time. So let's open it up. Let's get at it. Your boy GB. We're gonna make it happen. Let's do it. All right, so on here you see the price is $249.99 or $95. I think you may be able to get a discount, but this is what the box looks like. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. I mean, you can see I'm recording close to, so I can see it. I shouldn't do that, but oh well. So that's why you're getting a reflection. Anyway, but the box is pretty straightforward, simple, and we're gonna open it up and look and see what it's like. So I'm just gonna use a short collar stay to open this up, if I can. I thought this is sharper than, never mind. There we go. We're gonna make it happen. So, so like I said, here's the box. The box is roughly a little bit larger than the case. But to me, you know, people complain about the case size. They're like, oh, the case is so big. The other one fits in your pocket so easily. You know how many of my friends have complained about losing their AirPods? My son has lost 3 pairs of AirPods, and you know what? He didn't have a job. Guess who's paying for those? So, you know, people complain about things just because they want to complain about things. Listen, if you like the small case, if you want the small case, keep buying AirPods. They don't fit in my ears. I I think the design is cool and everything, but they don't fit my ear. So this box is like challenging. Look at this. I have to rip this open. I was trying to be nice to this box, but shoot. Trying to get in here. And I guess they make it like that so people don't just like steal them off the stores, you know, because these are great, almost as good as the cameras. All right, so this slides right out of the sleeve. So it slides out. Maybe I could have done that from the, I don't think it slides out that easily from the, I could have pushed it out. Oh well. And it comes in a nice little box. Has a little B on it. I don't know, because of the glare, you can't really see, but there's a little B on the box. There you go. And then it's like a jewelry box. So you say, "Oh, honey, here I'm giving you a nice ring." Oh no, I'm not. Psych. I'm giving you the Dr. Ray Beats pill. So, and in here, just got the case, which is actually, that's not bad. I like the feel of that. Let me stand up. Let me see what goes in my pocket. Listen, I'm coming back down. If you're a little dude, maybe it won't fit in your pockets. Someone my size, it fits in my pockets. And, people complain about not being able to wear skinny pants. Well, guess what? I'm in my 40s. I'm not wearing skinny pants. This fits in my pocket. So, I like this. Now let's see what else is in the box. So, they did a good job with the design. It's Apple now, so of course Monster did a good job when they owned it, but now it's Apple. In the case, they give you the black lightning cable, which is money. And then you got all the tips in there, which is good. The packaging, like I said, Monster used to do a really good job of packaging, and they've always been really kind of top of the game. But I don't know. I think Apple has changed the game. Look at that nice little pocket in there. Apple's always been really good about that kind of stuff. And then the books are all the same shape as the case, with the offset cutting around the edges. Reminds me of this sci-fi show I used to watch where, I know what it was. It was Battlestar Galactica. I don't know if you guys remember Battlestar Galactica, but they used to have like all these paper things and everything was cut in the edges. And I was like, that's kind of silly and wasteful because you lose a lot of edges. But anyway, for aesthetics, it looks good. All right, so let's get into the pairing because I know that's what you guys want to hear about. So let's get into the pairing. We're gonna make it happen. All right, friends. I had to get rid of that glare, but anyway, I'm pairing these with the Apple 10s Max. So, according to what people say, I'm supposed to be able to just open this. Open this. Listen, it's early. Open this case, and this will pair. So, I don't know. We're gonna test it. I opened it and nothing. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Woohoo! It's asking me if I want to pair this thing. So I'm just gonna say connect. I'm gonna press connect. Oh, and then it says done. Look at that. Shows you you're done. Tells you how much power you have, and then that's it. I'm gonna, listen. It doesn't get any easier than that. And now it's connected across my devices, which is crazy, 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 crazy. I am going to test these products out. I'm going to start running with them because before, I used to use my Powerbeats 3s before I lost them, coming from Thailand. And then I was using these, which are the B&O H8s, which are great for wintertime. But this pad right here, let me tell you, in DC heat, no bueno. So anyway, this is your boy GB Reviews. I don't have anything else to tell you about these things yet because I haven't used them. But like I said, the case, the fit, the finish, it's I like it. For big guys my size, I'm not gonna complain about the case. And I think if you're paying $200 and something for headphones, then you shouldn't be complaining anyway because you can afford $200 and something headphones. So stop whinging and just live with it or don't buy them. Anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. I don't have anything else to say. Oh, I know you like my Superman shirt. Oh, and go see Brightburn. It was interesting. Not the greatest, but it was interesting. All right, your boy GB Reviews. I'm out.
Subscribe right below.